Coming into the main entrance, you have plenty of room to take off your shoes, hang your coat, and then you have an excellent powder room and a door that leads directly into the garage, and also the stairs that lead right up into the second floor. And that's when you're drawn into this amazing kitchen area. We have two-tone cabinetry, quartz countertops, we have stainless steel appliances, and let's not forget matte black faucet right here. One thing I love about this area is the amount of space that it has in this kitchen. You know, it's going to be great for spending time with family and for cooking. Coming up the stairs, we have an open floor plan that includes a bonus room. Here you can spend time with kids, watch TV, and my favorite part about this area is this. Welcome! Anyways, I had to get that off my chest. I love the balcony. You don't see a lot of these in this price range. This bonus room is right next to 2 bedrooms with each their own vibe, and also a tasteful 4-piece bathroom. And let's go into where all the magic happens, the master bedroom. This place has huge windows. We have a large walk-in closet and then a tasteful 4-piece bathroom. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, you can reach out to me. You can send me a text, shoot me a DM, or even give me a call. I'll be happy to walk you through this property.